Man, I love watching TV so much. Man, I hate reading. Man, I love reading with Spider-Man. Would you shut up, nerd? Oh, technically I play football, so I'd beat you up. Geek. I know, geek. Shut up. Here, listen, little monkey man. I'm gonna pound you one. You cruising for a bruising? I ain't cruising for a bruising. Ah! 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 You broke the camera. The camera's fine. Ow! 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 Oh, man. Oh, I'll never call you a nerd again. What'd you say? Nothing. That's what I thought. Okay. Ouch. Oh. Shut up, monkey. Jeez. Try to watch TV. Now you watch TV. Shut up! Man, I wonder what's like at war. Oh, gosh. I feel bad for, Boxing Gorilla. I know. He's probably gonna go through a lot. Oh. I wonder what it's like. Me too. Oh my gosh! What's that noise? Ah! Is that a grenade? Oh, I will never surrender. Jock! No! Oh, no, get that back! Back! Oh, man, I'm shot. I'm down. Take that, suckers! Oh, man, I wish I was at home on the couch instead of at a war. Help! Over here! Man, I should go back to boxing. My boxing goes on. Oh, no! Down! Oh, hey, Boxing Gorilla. Uh-oh. You surrender? Join our team. I'll pull this trigger. No, I'm dragon here. Join our team or die! Come on! You want me to shoot you or not? No! Please! Please don't! I will end you now. Please! Then listen. Listen to me, you understand? Yeah. Oh. Psych. I'll eat your corpse when I come back. Till then, I'll let you rot a little bit and then eat your corpse. Hey, Iron Golem? Yeah. I have a bad feeling that, Boxing Gorilla got killed. Why is that? I don't know. I just had this bad feeling in my stomach. We can't call him. He's at war. Oh. Whatever. Well, monkey, you gotta get ready for school. School? It's Thursday. Wait. It's Friday today, not Thursday. No, it's Thursday. I thought it was gonna be Friday. Well, it's not. You got one more day. You got tomorrow and you're done. Good night, monkey. Oh, good night, Iron Golem. Such a moron. Monkey, shut up! Stop snoring! Oh, he's sleeping.
Wake up, monkey.
Tiger.
What?
What's today? Is it? Why am I getting what?
State championship game, and you interrupt me today because Madison's gonna definitely beat Los Lancers, whatever their name is. This is all boys' school, and I just thought that if this school, one of the boys are actually cheerers too. Anyway, anyway, shut up and dude. You know it's not really actually midnight. Forget about the dogs. You know what time it is?
Is it time? Do I have school today?
It's actually 5:12. Did you miss school? There's no point going to school now. You might as well just stay home.
No, wait. Martin said I had to get to school. He said.
Well, dude, it's 5:12.
He says I'm excused.
Well, he's probably late.
I better get ready for school.
You're an idiot.
What should I wear for school? Ooh, yeah, my very first trumpet. Oh, it's so shiny. Monkey school. It's so cool. Wow. Look at it. It's very delicate. Monkey, it's time for school. Come on. Where's that dork at? Monkey. What? Monkey, what are you doing? Hi, I'm stuck at trouble. Hi, I don't want to go to school. I'm stuck. You're not stuck. I'm not going to school. Yeah, you are, monkey. Come on. No. It's the worst school ever. I can't even make me come here tonight. Bye, monkey. No. Here we go. Oh, my gosh. All right, class. Today we'll do math today. Oh, I forgot to do attendance. Darn it. I'll get my sheet. All right. Is Monkey here today? Monkey? Oh, I'm here today, teacher. What, Monkey? Hey, teacher. Oh, you're teaching. Oh, I'll go to my seat. Go to your seat, Monkey. Okay. Oh, one more thing before I pass out your homework. Nanya, are you here? None your business. Wow. Well, I'm gonna pass the homework. Alright, Monkey, you look so great. You look like you want to do your homework. No, I don't want to do it. Oh, look, you even said you want to do it. I don't want to do it. You're forcing me. No, I'll get your homework. Don't worry, and I gave you even a little extra, Monkey. Just 500 sheets extra. He's only at 10 sheets. I just gave you 500 sheets extra. Just a little extra, Monkey. Here you go. What? I don't want that bull crap. I gave you 500 more sheets since you whined like a little baby. Well, I don't want it. There you go, Monkey. What? See you, Monkey. Deal with all this bull crap. Take this, dumb crap. Monkey! Man, I get so much of this homework done. Alright, Monkey, I get you some more homework. Teacher, I just got like 300 pages of homework done. Well, here's 200 pieces. Here's 300 more. You have 600 now. What? There you go, Monkey. What? Teacher! Stupid truck. You know, I'm gonna give him a note. Ha ha ha. And done. There. You're right. Teacher, you're a stupid, mean jerk. Teacher, I'm done my one of my pages. Oh, great, Monkey. Let me come see this. Ha ha ha. Monkey, what did you write? Monkey, oh, you're getting in trouble. Oh, teacher, look at you, what did he write? Get out of the way. I'm sorry. You're good at principals. What? You're expelled now. Oh, what'd I do? You're expelled for the whole year. What? You have to be held back now. And you go back to kindergarten. What? You can't do this. Yes, I can. Your work done. All right, Monkey, you got your work done? Yep, I got my work done. Let me read this one. Teacher, you are a stupid, mean jerk. From Monkey. Get out! What? Get out! What do you mean get out? You're expelled. For real? No, I'm just saying you're expelled just for fun. Yes, you're expelled, you moron! I'm sorry, I didn't know. And I guess we have to pour bleach on your head. What? Oh, what are the other rules? I'll get the rule book. Oh, I didn't sign up for that. We're supposed to make you eat sanitizer? What? This is dumb. You know, I forgot the homework. And if you don't do your homework in 30 minutes, what? This is all calculus. This is like Einstein did this math. So you expect me to do Einstein math in 30 minutes, and if I don't do it in 30 minutes, what are you gonna do? Beat you with a shovel? What? What else? Oh, we're gonna send a guy, and he's gonna beat you with a bat. Where? How? I'm in my house. He's gonna come in your house and through your window. What? I don't believe that. That's bull crap. Well, I go in the office. See you. Oh man, I'm going home from school. It's so dark out here. Hey, Monkey, what? Ow! Oh. problem, huh? Right to my favorite teacher? Beat him up, guys. Oh! 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 Body slamming! No body slamming! Oh! 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 I haven't done anything to you! What's your problem, man? No one doesn't save you! Nugget! I'm gonna go get my phone. Where's your phone? Oh, my phone, you broke it! Yeah, you jerk. Oh! 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 I'm gonna throw it at the roof, huh? Want you to do this? Oh! 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 My leg! Oh! Your leg ain't broken. Oh! Stop! Stop! Oh. I'll come back and beat you up when you come back to school next day. Please don't. Oh, yes, I will. Ah! Ah! Body some one more time. I'll body some. Ah! Ah! My back! Cry! Shut up! Out! Stop kicking me. I'll choke him out. Ow! Punch me! Stop hitting me! Don't punch me! You little weakling! Ow! Help! Stop beating me up! Ah! Ah! He's an idiot. 1, 2, 3. Ow! 1, 2, 3. Ow! Oh! Oh! You idiot! You'll be my friend! Oh! 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 Nanya, stop! Nanya! You hit my friend! Hit him again! Hit him again! Ah! Ah! Oh! Nanya, stop! He has a concussion! I'm bleeding! Stop, Nanya! Stop hitting my friend, you idiot! Oh! Put a bag over his head. Moron. Oh. Oh. You're not knocked out yet? Let's get the bag over his head. Take that. Nanya. Oh, what happened? You got beat up a lot. He's chucks at me. Ow! Oh, you tell him real quick. Really funny. Ow! Ow! Hey, monkey, is he dead? I don't know none yet, but thank you. You're welcome. Ow! Hee hee. You think I was gonna save you? I'm a jerk like that, duh. What? What do you mean? Oh! Sucker. Put you in a bag too. I get the bag. Ow! Well, I couldn't find a bag, so yeah, I'm just gonna beat you up some more. Martin! Dad, take that, take that! Ah! Help me, Martin! Huh. Huh. Martin, I just was standing there! Wait, Martin, where's Martin? Martin, where's Martin? Wait, I don't know. What the heck? What's that? Why did you stop? Cause Monkey, what? Monkey, you alright? You alright? What? Martin, what are you doing here? I shot the fart gun at Nanya. You have a fart gun? Where'd you get that? I invented it. I'm smart. Monkey, I'm gonna teach you how to be smarter. I'm gonna teach you more stuff. Come on, so you can learn calculus. I can't. I got body slammed 15 times. And I got thrown off a roof. And then I got hit by a bat. And then I got choke slammed. And then I got choked out. And then I got hit by a bat. And then they kept punching me. And she hit me in the head with the bat. Ooh, yeah, it's gonna hurt. Why is he in a bag? And then you put him in the bag. Okay then. Come on, Monkey. Alright, give me like 5 minutes. Alright. Hey guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. And this will be a cliffhanger. So if you guys would like to see a part 2, let us know down in the comments. And yeah. Oof.